Hi, Nuff Loaders. Wow, can you believe it? To date, we've had 130 truck drivers downloading the app in just 1 month of launching in all 14 countries. And we just want to take the time to thank you drivers. On behalf of the Nuff Loads team, a big thank you. We do have some concerns as to when they will actually be starting to move loads, and I just want to reassure you that the next phase of our marketing will definitely be geared toward fair freight companies, shippers, individuals who may have, if it's even furniture, moving. So you definitely will be seeing loads in the coming weeks. That is what our marketing team is on now. But our first phase was to target you drivers. So when the customers go on the app, they will definitely see that it is active and up and running. Our drivers are ready to go. So thank you so much. So far we have rewarded a driver who has been most active. He was the truck of the week last week. And we definitely will be doing a lot more. So rest assured that we're here for you. We are here to change the way we do trucking in Jamaica. And thank you so much to our loyal customers. For those who have not yet explored the app or downloaded the app, please go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Bye.